Foods that are dangerous for birds.
Several foods that are safe for humans and other animals can be harmful or even fatal to birds.
Mushrooms.
Some mushrooms are toxic to birds and can cause digestive upset, organ failure, and even death.
Fruit pits and seeds.
Many fruit pits and seeds contain cyanide, which can be toxic to birds. Examples include apple seeds, cherry pits, peach pits, and apricot pits.
Avocado. Contains a toxin called persin, which can be lethal to birds if ingested.
Chocolate. Like with dogs and cats, chocolate contains theobromine and caffeine, which are toxic to birds and can cause vomiting, diarrhea, hyperactivity and seizures.
Onions and garlic contain compounds that can damage a bird's red blood cells, leading to anemia. Subscribe for more bird health tips in Part 2.